Hi, I'm Dr. Linda Curitin, and welcome to Module 6, AI for Productivity, How to Organize Your Work, Your Time, and Your Mind. So, I know that some of you, if you're like me anyway, that you feel pressured to stay on top of everything. And AI can help. I tried this really just yesterday. I said, what are my 5 most important tasks? And I got a list of what they were. Sometimes the AI gave me things that were important that I really wasn't working on anymore. So I said, no, not this, maybe that. But using your AI to help you organize your day and be mentally active, it gives you back some of your time. So we'll see here a few examples of how AI can generate a to-do list. The prompt that I used yesterday was show me my 5 most important tasks. Now, the AI may suggest that some things have priority of other things, but I had to interject in my example to let AI know, no, I'm not working on this anymore. And yes, this is more important than anything else. So you can use this to prioritize your own tasks and get suggestions from AI for how you might be able to get through your day more efficiently and more effectively. Another thing that I really like is that you can use AI to summarize your meeting notes or your voice memos. You can also use AI to sort or structure or reframe ideas and give you summaries or outlines of certain meeting notes, looking for gaps, assumptions, or maybe making deeper connections. You can ask questions like, what am I missing? Is this complete? Are there any innovative ideas I didn't think of? Those kinds of prompts can help enrich your work products. Now, there's a difference between being efficient and being intentional. Just because something can be automated doesn't mean it should be. And so there might be some examples of AI being able to automate some of your work, and maybe you shouldn't let it do that. Maybe the meaningful work you need to reserve for yourself. For example, in some of your more reflective tasks, am I freeing up my time for deep work or am I just speeding up the circle? So AI may have you do more efficiently things that you shouldn't be doing at all. And it's up to you to decide what that is. It's not to the AI. And here in this example, I encourage everybody to apply critical thinking to whatever they ask the AI to do. And I know I keep saying it, but AI is your assistant. It's not your boss. You can't blindly accept any output that you get from it. Always question its tone, its bias, and its fit. And encourage the AI to learn by you checking and revising and regenerating some of the work product. You have to stay mentally engaged. So, what area of your work needs the most structure or clarity? And what's the one thing you'll never automate and why? Give me some of your ideas and put them down into comment and let me know what you think. Remember, AI is not the end of thinking. It's just an invitation to think more deeply. Now, MIT just did a study on that was very popular, and it said that repeated use of AI for writing led to a decreased engagement in brain areas related to memory and creativity. And even when allowed to return to AI assistance, when you rely on it heavily and come back, then you tend to underperform. So this study suggests that AI can weaken critical faculties if overused. So be careful that you don't turn too much over to AI and you reserve your what you can for your own creativity. I'll give a personal example. I'm working on some a devotional book, and one of the things that I am putting at the end of each daily devotion is a prayer. Well, AI can easily write a prayer, but I reserve the relationship between me and God to be sacred and not have AI come in and make a prayer. That just seems too much. Tell me what you think in the comments. So, there was another study done, and it was bigger, and it emphasized that a comment called cognitive offloading, and that is offloading the thinking to AI, which is similar to the comment I made previously. But one of the things that it said is that we as users tend to have automation bias. That is, that if the computer spits out something, that we trust it and believe that's infallible, and we turn over our decision making to AI. Well, beware of that. Read what the AI gives you. Look for the bias or the things that are just plain wrong. Right. And don't accept its output without verifying what it does. And sometimes it gets so good you may trust it more than you should. So treat the AI as a partner, as an assistant, as a lower level assistant. The AI is a tool that can help you in your ideation, but it's not a replacement for your original thought. It can handle manual tasks like editing, sorting data, organizing it, reviewing outputs, bringing some things to your attention in a format that is easily understood, but leave the decision making to you. Let it do the heavy lifting, but the creativity and the decision making reserved for yourself. Stay woke intellectually. Look at things in a reflective tone. Pose questions to yourself. Am I really still thinking? Or am I just editing what AI gives me? So I urge you to stay mentally engaged and use AI as a partner that strengthens, not softens, your cognitive muscles. Thank you for your attention. And if you would like a 15-minute consultation, contact me on the email and the contact information that you see below. Thank you very much.